My name is Abiodun Adeleke, the chairman or the CEO of the new Landmark Hotel, Jericho, Ibadan. The Landmark Hotel is a 5-star hotel situated in the city of Ibadan, the business district of Ibadan. Every facility you want in a 5-star hotel we have in Landmark. Our rooms ranges from a mini to a family suite of three rooms with a sitting room, which is a normal saying, and every facility you expect in an hotel that you find in Dubai, you find in Landmark of Ibadan. Our staff are very, very hospitable. They will treat you with the best in everything. You can be sure of the best service. Our food is freshly prepared and everything is organic. We don't believe in genetically modified food, and our eggs are free range. And every food served is a bit of vegetables, which is freshly prepared. We take security very seriously, and if you look at the location of Landmark Hotel, we are about 3 seconds away from the State Security Service. And the state headquarters is just about 10 minutes away. We take our security seriously. I cannot start to discuss with you or give you the details of our security measures, but at the same time you find plain clothes as well as uniform officers always around. At intervals in the night, I cannot go into details of the security. It's very private. The whole hotel is covered by various CCTVs. And to be precise, we have direct contacts with the state security. It's just a matter of pressing a button. So you are highly secured. We have market-tested agencies that we use to bring our staffs. They are well trained. We also do in-house training. We take health seriously. Everything that has to do with the gym facilities are there. And we have in-house trainers as well. We are fortunate enough to have 3 big halls in Landmark Hotel, depending on the facilities you want. We have a hall, which we call Apis Hall, the capacity of 300 people, depending on the arrangement of chairs. And at the same time, we have a very big parking space, which can also be used for parties. We put in our own specialized canopies and give you specialized chairs. Also, we have our own in-house kitchen that is responsible for all the cookings. So you can be sure of hygienic environment, very clean environment. And we have a very good chef as well. We look at power holding as a standby. We have gone extra mile. We have our own transformer, 250 kVA. And at the same time, we have good standby generators to cater for all these unforeseen circumstances.
The Landmark Hotel. Luxury defines our brand.
My experience here spans over 5 years now. And I can tell you, it's been a very nice experience. I live in Ibadan here, but when I have guests from all over, yeah, this is where I bring them to. But because of the facilities on ground, that really endears me to the hotel and bring friends here. And they have been coming each time they visit. This is where they want to stay. So it's been a very nice experience. The rooms are very conducive, very homely. And everything that you want in an hotel is available here. Everything. The security is very superb. Apart from the security that the hotel provides, then the hotel enjoys security around the neighborhood here, because the DSS office is not too far from here, and workers in DSS, they actually patronize this place. Electricity here is 24/7, Yeah, I just like this place because for its serenity. You know, it has a serene environment. We usually hang out here daily, every other day, because this, you know, is a place you want to be, and you meet friends, and you're very secured, very, very secure. Because that one is paramount. Anywhere you want to lodge, or you know, security is very, very important. And most my friends out of Ibadan, actually, each time they come around, before they come around, they will even call me, help us go to Lama, let them know that we're coming around. They don't have any other hotel on their list. This is their first point. This is their first point of call, except if the place is booked out, it's fully booked. That's when they consider another place. Otherwise, it's first choice.
The hotel is an edifice on its own. The approach, right from the exterior perspective, is catchy. So by the time you get into it, you are faced with the courteous staff right from the reception. And the neatness of the reception, unique on its own. And the welcoming atmosphere generally as you enter into landmark reception. Right from the main gate, which is the entrance to the hotel, you see a well-dressed security man ushering you in, telling you how to drive through the hotel to the park, to the car park I mean. And from there, the security directs you to the entrance to the hotel, where you are going to meet another staff that is ushering you into the lobby. They've got a couple of heavy-duty generators that powers the hotel. Immediately there is power cut. And this takes me back to where I am from, probably in Ghana, where I do business, where we hardly notice power surge or power outage. So I think the hotel is well managed in terms of power supply, because the moment there is a power cut, there's an automatic supply of power.
The new Landmark Hotel is a 37-room hotel. It consists of 37 executive rooms and suites. We started operations about 10 years ago. What is unique about Landmark Hotel is the fact that we are conscious of two important things. Number one, which has to do with adequate security, and number two has to do with cleanliness. Because there's no way you can run a hotel of this standard very well and get patronage from the caliber of people we get every now and then, without emphasis on adequate security and cleanliness. So we do that, and more importantly, we run on 24 hours power supply. Even if the public power supply is not adequate, if it's not stable, we have standby generator that will take charge of that. So people do come here because of those three things. That when you get to Landmark Hotel, your security is guaranteed. Public power supply too is guaranteed. And more importantly, cleanliness of the environment. So those three things make up one of the leaders in the business.
The Landmark Hotel. Luxury defines our brand.
Every now and then, we always make sure there is a feedback system from our guests. And what they basically expect from us is nothing but excellent service delivery. And we have always ensured that the rooms are okay. Our food and beverage facilities is excellent, and laundry service too and car hire service tools are run here. So whenever they come in here, they stand to enjoy qualitative service delivery, and we are never short of that. Our customers should expect nothing short of qualitative service delivery. And that comprises making sure that everything one will hope for in a standard hotel is provided, and provided excellently.
Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon.
The Landmark Hotel. Luxury defines our brand.